Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. This is Mubashira Naz, your science teacher, and today our topic is soil. Soil, my dear students, is the topmost layer of Earth's crust. Soil is very important for us. We cannot deny its importance, as all kinds of vegetation, plants, etc., are possible only with the help of soil, or we can say soil is the home of all kinds of plants and vegetation. My dear students, now what is soil made of? Soil is the mixture of minerals, organic matter, gases, liquids, and the myriad of organisms that together support plant life. It is a natural body that exists as part of the pedosphere and which performs four important functions. It's a medium for plant growth, it's a means of water storage, supply and purification, it's a modifier of the atmosphere, and it's a habitat for organisms that take part in the composition of organic matter and the creation of a habitat for new organisms. My dear students, now what is this soil composed of? The composition of soil is number 1, mineral matter, rock particles from the bedrock and weathered rock. This is the mineral matter part. And second part is air, found in the pore spaces between rock grains. The third component is water, also found in pore spaces. Number 4 is organic material, that is humus. Humus is a black sticky gel produced from decaying leaves and animals. And the second part of this living material or organic material is living organisms, which comprises earthworms, beetles, fungi, bacteria. My dear students, you can also understand it with the help of this chart, which says 45% of this soil is comprised of mineral water, 25% is water, 25% is air, and 5% is organic matter. My dear students, now the soil is having horizons, that is soil horizons or layers. Soil is made up of distinct horizontal layers. These layers are called horizons. They range from rich organic upper layers, that is humus and topsoil, to underlying rocky layers, that is subsoil, regolith, and bedrock. The horizons of the soil are O horizon, the top organic layer of soil, is dark in color, made up mostly of leaf litter and humus, that is decomposed organic matter that makes the soil fertile. So, my dear student, the uppermost layer of the soil, which is fertile horizon of the soil, it is O horizon, and the second horizon is A horizon. The layer called topsoil, seeds germinate and plant roots grow. It is made of humus composed organic matter mixed with mineral particles. It is a soft and porous layer. It is a shelter of living organisms like worms and rodents. My dear students, then the other horizon is B horizon, also called the subsoil. It contains clay and mineral deposits like iron, aluminum oxides, and calcium carbonate that it receives from layers above it when mineralized water drips from the soil above. This layer is hard and compact. Roots are bigger. Plants extend till this layer. My dear students, the chapter of soil is very elaborative, it's very descriptive. We cannot make it in just one lecture, but a little I am giving you in this video. Hope you understand. Thank you, my dear students.